back to Techtorial. In this video, we are going to be introducing a teaching tool called Nearpod. Nearpod is a platform which provides interactive slides, videos, gamifications, and activities to visualize and support student understanding. This is the first out of 4 episodes regarding Nearpod, and in this particular episode, we will guide you on making an account, making a lesson plan, and teaching the lesson plan. First of all, let us show you how to create a Nearpod account. Type in nearpod.com in your web browser. After the web page is loaded, click on Sign up for free on the top right. There are 2 choices presented for you to choose according to your role. But for this video purposes, we are going to pick Teacher as we want to show how a teacher can use Nearpod. You'll be redirected to a page where you should enter your name, last name, school email, and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using Google, Office 365, Clever, or ClassLink. Subsequently, you will need to enter further details like the subjects that you teach, which grades you are teaching, and your role to complete your profile. Note that you can choose multiple subjects and grades. Once you have filled in all your details, click Done and you have successfully created your account. Now that you have created an account, let us show you how to create a lesson plan. Starting from the home page, click on Lesson. Once your lesson is loaded, you are able to name your lesson by clicking on the Untitled Lesson on the top left. Customize your lesson by clicking on Add Content and Activities. Here you could see an array of choices from content and activities, which will be discussed further in part 2. For now, we're going to show you how to upload PPT and images and other files. You can do this by dragging and dropping your files or clicking on Upload Files. Once you're satisfied with your lesson, click on Preview to double check and then click on Save and Exit. Moving on, we're about to show you how to teach a lesson. Starting from the home page, click on My Lessons tab. Once you're on the My Lessons page, hover over your lesson that you want to teach with. 2 options are given, live participation and student-based. We'll start off with student-based. A code would be generated once you click on it. This code would be needed for your students to access the lesson. Alternatively, you can assign the lesson through Google Classroom and more. Once your students have completed the Nearpod, you can see the report by clicking on the left-hand side of the screen in the home page. Click on the lesson you started and a screen would appear with a summary of answered questions, skip questions, and etc. Additionally, you can see what your students answered for open-ended questions and more. Now that you have discovered how to teach a lesson using the student-based option, we're going to show you how to teach using the live participation option. Go back to the home page, then click on My Lessons tab. Hover over the lesson plan you want to teach, then click on Live Participation instead of Student-Based. A code would appear. Show this code to your students as it is needed for them to join. Nearpod also provides you with presentation features. We're able to open a whiteboard where you can write whatever you want by clicking on the top right. Click on the blue button on the right to go to the next slide. And for videos, you can adjust who plays the video, teacher or student. Teacher plays is the video playing on the teacher's device while student plays the videos on the student's device. During the video, there will be questions and it will appear on the student's screen. Once they answer the question, you can see what they wrote. On open-ended questions, students can write anything they want, and as a teacher, you can see what they wrote once submitted. Once you're done teaching, click on the Nearpod logo on the top center of your screen and click on End Session. To view reports, click on Reports. It is similar to the one on Student-Based. Thank you for watching this episode of Nearpod. If you find our video easy to follow, stay tuned for part 2, 3, and 4 of Nearpod. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Techtorial. Turn on the notifications bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos. And that's all for this week's Techtorial. See you!